To give you an idea of how bright this light is, it's about 11:30 at night outside. Actually, the iPhone is picking up a lot of ambient light, even though it's 11:30 at night in middle of September. But this is what it looks like with the light on and light off. A lot of added light with this mod. Hey everybody, what we're doing today is installing the new cargo light accessory that Subaru is offering for the Ascent. The part number for that, I have it written down here, is H461SXC200. And that is for a light that goes above the cargo area, just inside the door sill. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. First impressions are pretty good. It's got a switch. That's neat. There's an LED strip. Let's take a look at the back. Some locating pins and some tabs. So this is going to give me a pretty good idea of how the other one comes off. All right. Looks like it's just one connector. I believe if you have 2022, I want to say, or earlier, you need another pigtail that's sold separately. But for 23 and up, this is all you need. Now let's get out to the car and figure it out. So the light replaces this trim panel right here. And this should not be too hard to get out. It helps if you have a plastic trim removal tool. Just get behind there and pull it down a little bit. Oh, see, perfect. Comes right down. A few firm tugs, and let's see, the back just pulls also. Wow. That was easy. Like I said before, the 2023s and up already have this wiring connector in the wiring harness. So this, I'm going to try and do it with one hand here, should just plug right in. Yeah, I'll need two hands. All right, there's only one way it'll fit. You can't mess it up. And there's the light. Off, on. Look at that, perfect. So now we'll just go ahead and pop this thing back up there. See, we took it off. Just line up some of the holes and push it on. Can't do it with one hand, so you'll come back when I have it on. It's back up. That's really all there is to it. One last thing you want to do is take your tool here and just run it underneath the weather stripping and make sure that it's all on the correct side of the trim piece. Oh, missed a little spot. There we go. And that's it. Everything fits flush. That's just a shadow. Nice. I think my wife will be happy with that. Thanks for watching.